Now, breaking news from RTV6.
Now at 6, breaking news. A school bus carrying 27 people, the Griffith High School boys basketball team. It overturns on I-65, injuring several kids and destroying the bus. Indiana State Police say those injuries are not life-threatening, though, but the freshman boys basketball coach was eventually airlifted to the University of Chicago Hospital. The crash happened this afternoon in Jasper County. Now, state police tell us a driver of a passenger car spilled a drink on herself, causing her to sideswipe that bus, causing this wreck you are seeing. Crews were finally able to tow away that bus just before 4:30. But back up on I-65, it stretched for miles. The Griffith High School boys basketball team was on its way to Lafayette to play in the semi-state game at 4 p.m. That game has, of course, been postponed due to the crash. The IHSAA tweeting that it will work with Griffith High School administrators to determine a makeup date. Griffith was set to play Marion at Lafayette Jeff High School. The Griffith High School superintendent releasing this statement as well. What began with excitement as the fulfillment of a dream to play in the semi-state tournament has ended tragically. We are praying today for the members of the Griffith School family who have been injured. We will continue to update you on this story on the RTV6 app. Well, it is